Dignify positional locations. Positional location in space on and around spherical surface of Earth may be determined relative to appearance of orbital plane of the Sun, 24 hours, day and night timings. Earth is oscillating about 8 radians on either side of its north-south polar axis, concentric within Sun's orbital diameter in the space. It is not subjected to any orbiting momentum. It is ascertained through exercise performed on an articulated fabricated space research center. Fact findings, objectives, realization can be viewed and examined from any point from the surface of Earth. The rising sun is energizing life science. The positional locations in the space on and around spherical surface of Earth may universally be determined relative to daytime appearance happening of orbital plane of the rising sun. North and south poles on surface of Earth are known by magnetic compass. The line joining North Pole and South Pole passing through center of Earth has been arrived to be north-south polar axis, the line of zero reference. The lines drawn on surface of Earth parallel to line of zero reference will form unique pattern and basis of origin on Earth. The positional location of points on surface of Earth and space shall be attributing relative uncommon geometrical views and comparable analytical utility data. The gravitational force of attraction is effectively retaining substances of Earth on and around surface and sustaining its positional stability in space. The structure has been fabricated to represent an articulated form of space research center. It is used for establishing dignified positional locations of Sun, Moon, and Earth within the articulated space research center. Different models have been used towards establishing functional logics and happenings of events in the space. The statement of facts being exercised have been examined for kinds of purposes and produced after evaluating their logical functional aspects with the help of different models. Significant findings of exercise are useful basis for assured and perfect targeted space missions. An orbital trajectory path is being followed by Sun and Moon in the space. The appearance of trajectory route can be visualized in the sky about 12 hours during day and night time. The sun completes its orbital cycle in 24 hours. The moon completes its orbital cycle in 24.87 hours. The varying duration completing orbital cycle by moon, the new moon and full moon are happening. As a result of new moon and full moon, there is happening of solar eclipse, ring of fire, and full moon eclipse, red moon, black moon, respectively. The moon surface facing the sun is hottest on new moon day, and same is coldest on full moon day. The opposite portion of moon is darkest or brightest respectively. The surface of moon facing sun is subjected to effects of centrifugal force due to its orbiting motion. The surface portion is subjected to varying temperature stresses, hottest and coldest, in cyclic order of 30 days. The north and south poles of moon can be positioned parallel to north and south poles of earth and may be treated safest points surface area for spacecraft landing zone. The landing on surface of moon may have to be critically analyzed and advocated. The eventualities of past and present leads for changeover towards new creations and betterments. Midday time, moment of the sun, light rays, time of crossing the line of zero reference is indicating variations about 60 minutes annually. The change in timings is considered corresponding to oscillating motion of Earth about 8 radians on its north-south polar axis annually. The swing of 55 degrees orbital path of orientation of Sun in space, July to December and January to June, the deflection of orientation of orbital plane of Sun and Moon midday time in the space about 55 radians on east-west axis is affecting the angle of impact of incident rays on the surface of Earth and resulting varying duration of day and night timings in summer and winter. There is occurrence of 6 months day-night periods happening at north and south poles of Earth respectively. Some angular shift of orbital plane orientation of Sun on east-west axis has also been observed. Deviating angle smaller could not be recorded. There is exchange of orientations of planes, Sun and Moon every year. It is resulting formation of eclipse.